guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Miss KENYAN, and in today's video we are going to be cooking. We are going to be making Amarula chicken stew, and I know my makeup is a sellout. I have already done that, and let me show you the meal and then we will get into this is the chicken stew that we are going to be making today, and I have also made some mashed potatoes. Check the video on the description box below and on the comment section below, and let's get into making this yummy this one is yummy, this one is delicious, this yummy Amarula chicken stew. For the chicken stew, this is everything that I'm going to be needing. I have chicken drumsticks. I prefer using chicken drumsticks or chicken breast for this recipe. Then I have ginger, I have 2 red onions, I have 2 tomatoes, I have 1 hoho, I have coconut milk, I have mushroom soy sauce, I have paprika. I love using paprika because of its color. I have this spice that I bought recently and I love it. Habrio ya nyama. I have curry powder. I have chicken masala. I have salt. I have amarula and cooking oil. And for my chicken drumsticks, I'm going to be boiling it. I know it's not a must for you to boil it, but in this case I'm going to be boiling it so that it can be well cooked. Guys, my drumsticks are boiling and they are almost done, so I'm going to be making the stew, and I have already put a little oil in the sufuria, so I will wait for this one to heat up so that I can add the onion. It is already hot. I'm going to add the onion. I've used two onions because I love onion like that. So of course I'm going to wait until this one turns translucent before adding in the next ingredient. So we will wait until this one is ready and then we will add our next ingredient. Drumsticks are ready now. They are completely boiled and my onion is ready now. It has started to turn brown. It's translucent. So I'm going to add in my boiled drumsticks. I'm going to add all of them. And I have left some chicken stock for using later. I didn't wait until all the water was dried up, so I have some chicken stock to use later. And then at this point I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just kidogo salt. This amount is enough because I'm going to be using soy sauce and it has its own salt. I'm going to let this rest for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because I don't want it to start holding up to the sufuria. Sitaki ianze kushika sufuria because it will start sticking. So I'll come back after 2 minutes. You see, this one had already started sticking to the sufuria. So I think 2 minutes was even more than what I needed. So I'm going to add in the ginger and the tomatoes. This one will prevent it from sticking for a couple of minutes until the tomatoes are ready. As you can see, my tomatoes are cooked. So I'm going to add in the spices. And I will start with this one. This one is the one that I told you that I have just started using it recently, and I like it. And because it has salt too, I'm going to be using kidogo. Then I will use chicken masala, just a little bit of it. Then I will use curry powder. A little bit of it. And as you have noticed, I haven't used paprika yet. I'm going to add it towards the end. So again, I'm going to leave this for like 2 minutes or so to allow the drumsticks to absorb the taste of the spices. I'm back, and at this point I'm going to add in my coconut milk. You can use as much as you want. Going to add in a little bit more. So yeah, I think that is enough. And then I'm going to add in my soy sauce. Mine is mushroom soy sauce, though I can still use the other one. Just a little bit of it because it has salt. And I'm going to let this rest. I'm going to leave it for some minutes, and then I will be back. This is how my stew is looking now. Guys, you can see how my tomatoes are looking. So to avoid this, you can blend them or use tomato paste instead, but I didn't do that. That is why mine are looking like this. So as I had told you, I had kept some chicken stock aside, so I'm going to add in a little bit of it. And then at this point I will add in my amarula, and I'm going to use 3 leads only, this size. Don't use a lot of it. So 1, 2, 3, and that is enough. 3 leads are enough. Actually, they are more than enough. And then I'm going to add in my paprika. I love paprika because of the color that it brings. So that is enough. will let it rest and then I will be back. I am back, and this is how my drumsticks are looking, and they look delicious, they look yummy, and I have tasted it to ascertain that everything is okay, to test whether the salt is okay, whether the spices are okay, or whether I need to add anything, and it's okay. So at this point I'm almost done, so I'm going to add in my hohos, and I will let this continue simmering at a very low heat, because at this point we are almost done. Actually, it's like we are done. And at this point you can also add your dhania stalks. I don't have any, so this is how mine will be looking. So I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer at a very low heat. Guys, this is our final product. This is how our chicken stew is looking, and it's delicious. I have already tasted it and it's delicious. If you try out the recipe, let me know how it turns out for you. And as I had told you, we are going to have this stew with mashed potatoes, so check out the mashed potatoes recipe on the description box below. And thank you for watching this video until this point. Kindly leave a comment, let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to like this video and share it out with your friends, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.